Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Zui. We are going to work on something here, just a question on how we can derive an equation of a straight line that has been put or been drawn on a Cartesian plane or an XY plane. And before we continue, I would like to request you to subscribe to my channel, like my video links, share them out, and don't forget to hit the bell for notification if in case I upload anything new on my channel. Now, question here reads, derive an equation for a straight line shown in the XY plane below. Now with us we have a question that has a Cartesian plane on it. As you can see, it has some straight line. And how do we derive an equation of a straight line? Now, for us to derive an equation for a straight line, first of all, we need to consider this question and get some 2 points on it that will assist us get the gradient. We first of all need to get the gradient. Once we have the gradient, we can derive the equation easily by use of the formula. Now, as you can see in this Cartesian plane, this straight line here has already 2 points can be mentioned. We can say, let this one be your first point. We can call it point P, whose coordinates are 0 on X and 6 on Y. Then we can have another one here, this other point whose coordinates are Q. We can say it is 5 on X and 0 on Y. So those are 2 points which we can use, whose coordinates we can use to derive an equation of a straight line. Now let's proceed. First of all, we all know that the gradient of a line is given by of a straight line is given by change of y over change of x. Change in y coordinates or change in x coordinates gives us the gradient. So the points we have located on a straight line are P 6, 0, 6. We have another point which is Q, which is 5, 0. So this is the first point, this is the second point. So we're going to get the gradient by taking the change of y, which is 0 minus 6. Of course, we start with the point after P, that's Q, 0 minus 6 divided by 5 minus 0. And this one gives us negative 6 all over 5, which becomes the gradient of that line. Now, we all know that the equation of a straight line is given by y equals to mx plus c, where x is the coordinate on x-axis. Coordinate, we can talk of coordinates. We have r there, and then y is the coordinate on the y-axis. This is coordinate on y-axis. Then m is the gradient, and then c is the intercept. So now we work out the intercept by substituting. Take one of the points, let's say point Q, then we just substitute the values we have, 5 and 0, into our equation plus our gradient that we have calculated, and we shall be able to solve for C. So we can use q. Let's use q. So our y here is 0 equals to our m. We have calculated and we have gotten it as -6/5, and multiply by our value for x is 5 plus c, which is to be calculated. And this one here, if it cancels out, it gives us 0 equals to -6 plus c. If -6 crosses the equal signs, it becomes 6. So c is 6, the intercept on the y-axis. Therefore, the formula of our equation, or the equation of the straight line, becomes y equals to mx plus c, and this one is y equals to -6/5, which is the gradient of x, plus 6, which is the y-intercept. And therefore this one becomes the equation of a straight line that has been drawn. Thank you very much for watching.